Assalamualaikum guys, I'm ARK. Through this video we are gonna start a new video series on fundamentals of web design. In this video series we will go through HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and if the response is good we will also explore some frameworks and libraries. So let's start off by understanding what the front end side of the website consists of. So the front end part of the website consists of basically three things: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So HTML is the structural part of the website, that means it is a skeleton of the website. HTML decides how your website is structured, and CSS is about the look and feel of the website. It is the styling of the website. You can refer to it as the muscle and skin of the website. CSS basically makes the website look beautiful. And last but not the least, JavaScript is the functional part of our website. We can refer to JavaScript as the nervous system of our website. It is not the brain because JavaScript doesn't have any memory or any processing, but we can decide how our website reacts to different actions of our user by using JavaScript. So that is pretty much it. You will gain a better understanding over all three as we proceed through the course. So now there are plenty of website builders already available in the market where you have to basically just drag and drop the components. You don't have to code a single line. So why should we not use that, and why should we learn these old school technologies to make our website? So let's see some of the disadvantages of those. As the website builders let us to drag the already built components to our website, we don't get a lot of customization options. We just drag and drop already built components which are probably dragged and dropped by many other users, so our website can't stand out and we can't customize much. And the second drawback is most of the automated website builders are paid. We do have some free ones, but the free ones also place advertisements on our websites if we use the free plan, of course. The website builders doesn't support any SEO tools, that is search engine optimization tools. As our website is not unique and customized, so our website will never stand out in search engine optimizations. Website builders also have customer support for their naive users, but the customer support line is only limited to the paid plans. It is not available for the free plans. So these are some of the advantages of website builders. So we can't customize, we can't optimize our website, we have free advertisements on our websites, the support line is limited. So there is no real reason for using these website builders. We don't have any control over our website by using these website builders, and no one is giving you a job based on your skills on a website builder, because every company wants a real web developer, not just a dragger and dropper. So this is also a really good reason, basically the main reason for learning web development, front-end web development. So now when we know what a website consists of and why to learn these old school technologies, let's start our HTML course with an overview to HTML language. So HTML is a markup language. That means we can't program anything using HTML. HTML is used to just mark up a document using tags and elements that tells a browser how to display it. So HTML basically consists of tags, elements and attributes. Let's see what are tags, elements and attributes. So HTML tags are just a pair of angle brackets which is used to hold a element. So let us see what are elements. Elements are used to hold content between them. Whatever is written between the angle brackets, that is our HTML tags, are elements. And HTML attributes are used to describe an element. That means it provides more detail about an element, about how an element should be structured. So we place elements mainly in the starting tags. There are no elements found in ending tags or closing tags. Let's have an example. So in this example we are having a paragraph element. That is, you can see the starting tag over here. Every HTML element consists of a starting tag and an ending tag, that is our closing tag. So this is the starting tag where we have P. This is an element. P is an element that tells a browser that this is a paragraph. So this line, this is a paragraph, is the content of this element, and this align left tells the browser that it should be aligned left. It should be shown to the left side of the browser, and this is called an attribute. So that is it for the video, guys. We have seen enough introduction to get started with learning HTML. We will directly jump into the IDE from the next video. So stay tuned. See you in the next one.